Right, I've been using the Samsung 55-inch Odyssey Ark 2nd Gen 4K daily for the past fortnight. Time for an honest verdict. To be fair, this monitor's not just for hardcore gamers, although that's certainly its primary target audience. It's also a great choice for anyone who wants to elevate their work-from-home experience or simply enjoy watching movies and videos on a larger-than-usual screen. The real question is, does it deliver on its promises? For me, the three features that matter most are the 165Hz refresh rate, the 1000R curvature, and the multi-view functionality. Having tested this extensively, I can confidently say that these features make a significant difference in terms of performance and immersion. Firstly, the 165Hz refresh rate is an absolute game-changer for fast-paced games like first-person shooters or fighting games. In my experience, it's almost impossible to notice any lag or delay, even during the most intense battles. It's a small price to pay for that level of responsiveness, but trust me, it's worth it. The 1000R curvature is another story altogether. To be honest, I was skeptical about how much of an impact this would have on the gaming experience. However, having spent hours playing games with the monitor in various positions, I can tell you that it makes a huge difference. The curved screen wraps around your field of vision, creating an almost immersive experience that's hard to put into words. It's like being right inside the game, that's the best way to describe it. Lastly, the multi-view functionality is rather impressive. With up to 4 inputs at once, you can easily switch between different devices or games without having to log out and log back in. This feature has saved me so much time during long gaming sessions, as I can quickly check my emails or messages on a separate device without leaving the game. It's not just about convenience, it also ensures that your workflow remains seamless. In terms of real-world benefits, these features come together to create an exceptional gaming experience that's hard to match with other monitors on the market. The only trade-off I've noticed is that the multi-view functionality can be a bit finicky at times. Occasionally, one of the inputs gets lost or disconnected, which can be frustrating. That being said, what real buyers love about this monitor is its versatility and performance. It's not just for hardcore gamers, it's also a great choice for content creators, streamers, or anyone who wants an exceptional display experience. The Quantum Mini LED panel delivers stunning visuals, and the HDR10+ support is top-notch. If I'm being completely honest, one thing that did surprise me was how loud the speakers can be. While they're not ideal for gaming sessions, they do come in handy when watching movies or videos, and they're certainly loud enough to fill a small room. So, after spending 2 weeks with the Samsung 55-inch Odyssey Ark 2nd Gen 4K, I'd say it's worth buying, but with some caveats. If you're a serious gamer who wants the best possible experience, this is definitely the monitor for you. However, if you're on a budget or don't need the advanced features, there are plenty of other great monitors out there. Hit subscribe for honest, thorough product reviews, new one every week.